Hello everyone, it's Javin. Well, I'm Sigate. Welcome again to my channel. So in this video, we'll be making a new project on Thunkable because it's a modern era to learn programming robotics. Like, so I know it's the Arduino based YouTube channel. It was, but I guess in this modern era to learn this kind of other things like programming and robotics. So that's why I guess Thunkable is a app fit thing. I can upload here. So that's why this video is here. Let's go. So here today we will be making a timer project. So let's go and create a project or new project, you can see. So timer. Okay, so at category let's go with education and nothing else and create. So wait for a second. Okay, here is our screen, you can see. So yeah, in this screen we have to add 4 screens for this application. So let's go. Screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4. So that's all of our screens, and the first one, our screen 1, will be intro screen. Sorry. And screen 2 will be the loading screen, and the third screen or screen 3 will be the asking screen, because we will be asking something in this screen. So that's why asking screen. So sorry for that. Whatever. So screen 4. This will be our main screen, because we will be doing the main works or main thing in this screen. So that's why let's go with main screen. Okay, so that's it, and that's all of our names. Okay, so we have to rename it all the icon or all the things or components, so we can identify all the things very easily, right? So that's why. So here in the first screen we will need an image, nothing else, just image. So here's the image, and let's go upload the file. You can upload any kind of file you want, but I am uploading a logo here. Actually, in this first screen, every app has own logos, right? So let's upload this one here. So yeah, that's it. Let's go and select the border 530. Better combination, I guess, in my opinion. So yeah, that's all. In the loading screen, it's more easy, because in this screen just we all need one item and nothing else, like loading icon, loading icon, and no customization. That's it. And in the asking screen we'll need a text input. So wait a minute. Okay, so text input, and let's give it wallpaper, right? Wallpaper or background picture. So I'm going to the Chrome, and here I guess this one is perfect for that, and that's why let's go copy the image address and paste it here. That's it. So here you can see only 1/3 of the picture has came here, but actually in the real life, in the real app, the full picture has came, right? So don't panic for that. So that's all, but just think the background is black, right, or dark, and the type here message is also black color, so it's very tough to see. So let's change the color of the text. So that's why let's select the first of all text input, and then text advanced setting and text tab. Color is equal to white. Okay, so that's all, and let's make the hint color also white. So let's come a bit below here, and here you can see hint text color. So let's go with white and a little bit gray, right? Yeah, that's all. So that's it for here for this screen. Let's go to simple again, and let's go to main screen. In the main screen, first of all, we will need 2 things, and one will be the level and one will be a button. So let's go add button first. Sorry for typing mistake. Button and level. So yeah, done. Now let's first of all add a background, and as it is timer project or timer what can I say, timer application, so that's why let's upload a clock image, right? So it's better as a background. Copy the image address and place it here. Just paste. Let's go. Here is the same problem, only 1/3 has came here. Actually full screen has come, we can see that. Whatever, so leave it. Let's go to button and rename it with start, because it will be start button for the timer. So yeah, out. And here you can see the level. It's also black, so it's hard to see, right? So that's why let's make it white first of all. Here you can see, and change the level with 0, because in this section or in this level our timer, the number will show, right? So that's why we have to make it any number, you can say. So that's why it's 0, and make the font size a bit bigger so it's easy to see. 30 or 40. 40 is great, I guess. So that's all. Yeah, that's it. Now let's go to button and customize the button, because it's our main attraction, right? So that's why let's give the background color red. So done. And the text color, not white, black is better. Okay, so let's go with black. And okay, by the way, so we can give a border, right? Let's go with 530 again. 5 width will be 5 and radius will be 30. Done. So here you can see in the preview the border is, we can see the border here, but actually in this workspace now we can see that, so no problem. And in the preview you can also see that there's only a little button, right? So let's make it a bit bigger. So that's why let's go and set the width with container, so it will look a bit crazier than before. So that's all about our designing part. Let's make it raise. Okay, that's all about our designing part, and at last we have to just add a component, and that will be text to speech, just for upgrade the project a bit to text to speech here, being it here, and that's it. So that's all for design part. Let's go to the block first, or now. So here's the block. First of all, in the intro screen we'll need a when intro screen opens, wait 1 second and navigate to the next screen or the loading screen. So in this, usually most of the apps has the first intro section or intro screen. After 1 or 2 seconds they just change the screen to any other screen, right? So that's why same as the apps here also. So whatever, here you can see intro screen code, that's it. And loading screen, in the loading screen you have to do same code again. So let's bring control, navigate to intro screen and wait 1 second, and loading screen when loading screen opens. So that's it. That's all. And change the intro screen to screen screen, right? So yeah, in the screen screen, well, this screen code is also a bit smaller, but the main screen has a big code, whatever. So here's the screen, and we have to add a thing that will be when sorry, not this. Yeah, when text input click, change the click with submit. We'll call a variable. So set add variable name. Okay, so here I can give the variable name time, right? So yeah, that's it. Okay, so set the add variable time to the text input once result or text. So yeah, so in this code, just when I submit, the user submits the timer duration actually. So after that the duration is stored in the time variable. So let's make it more so just change this type here, text with the duration of the time. That's it. So here this will be the hint text. So yeah, that's it. So let's go to the block part again, and after after restoring the data in the variable, the screen will navigate into the main screen, and this is the time we have to do the main code of this application. So let's go. When button, okay, so when the button one click, that's mean the start button actually, the start button click, first thing first we have to disable this button, because after if I press this button twice or more than one, so it could face some problems, right? So that's why So let's go disable this button. Sorry for that one. Set button 1 disable true. Okay, so duplicate this one and set it here. Now we have to in the timer actually the time actually count down, right? So that's why the first stage of the label will be the duration that the user have given, right? So that's why that's it, and we have to set the labels text the variable. So add variable name, bring it here and change the name with time, because in the previous screen we have pasted the data in time variable. So let's go, that's it, add variable time. Okay, now the main part. Okay, actually in this tutorial we are not using any kind of timer component, right? So here you can see there is a timer sensor, you can see. So we are not using that one, so that's why the repeat block is very needed. Okay, so here you can see repeat 10 times. Okay, after repeating 10 times, first thing first, we have to vibrate the device and wait 1 second. First of all, we have to do this. Okay, so here you can see repeat 10 times. We have to change that with the variable time, because in the add variable time, if it's somehow I just gave 5 seconds, right? I want to set a 5-second timer, so that's why I gave the answer as 5 in this screen. So the add variable time is set with 5, the data 5. So that's why it will repeat 5 times and wait 1 second. Then after 1 second, if you 1 second, the phone or the any device will vibrate, so that we can understand the 1 second had passed. And after that we have to change the level text also. Set level text to we have to do some math. So -1, because after 1 second the level text or levels number will be reduced by 1, so that's it. And make this one or first one, actually you can see. So just change this with level 1's text. That's it, and that's all of our code. And at last just we have to knock the user that your time's up. So that's why let's give the levels 1 text to your time's up. Your time's up. And yeah, that's all. Now make the set button disabled false, because at last we can start the timer again. So that's why let's give it false, so everything becomes normal again. And that's all of our code. And if you want to make the upgrade this more, so in the case you can use a text to speech and call text to speech speak your time's up. So just copy this one here, copy and paste here. So that's all our code. Now let's give a try, right? Let's go preview, and here you can see this loading icon. After that our sorry for that. So here you can see the duration of the time. So our asking screen is this. Let's go with 5-second timer. So 5, enter, and here is the main screen. So let's get started our journey. So start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Your time's up.
So here you can see your time's up, and the computer also says that your time's up. So that's why I guess you have learned something here, and you'll make this, I know that, but whatever. So I guess you enjoyed the video, so that's why thanks a lot for watching. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye, sayonara.